Okay, so we're logged into the observatory via remote desktop, and I'm starting CCD ops, and we're having some bandwidth issues at the moment, so things are slower than they normally would be. Nevertheless, it should be good enough what I need. Okay, so close tip of the day, and the camera is connected on via USB connection, so we should be able to establish link. Okay, and there's our USB STX connection. You can see that the temperature is currently 27 degrees in the observatory, which is it's been quite a sunny day today. So what I'm going to do is going to set up, and this camera should be able to cool to 60 degrees below ambient, so it shouldn't have any trouble getting to -30 at that temperature. So we will set -30. And we will activate the cooling, and I think that will not, that has taken effect. There we go. So as you can see, the power's ramping up and the temperature is starting to fall, and I'm not going to do anything else. I'm just going to let that sit, and you'll see that when the power gets above about 90 to 95%, things will go a bit pear-shaped. So 66, 70%, 75, 80, 85, bang, it's gone. Oh, and I've lost my connection to the observatory at the same time. But nevertheless, I think you did see there that the USB connection dropped, and as we come back in, you can see it says link USB not found. Okay, now if I try to re-establish the link at this point, it won't do it. Now sometimes it will, sometimes it won't, and it seems to need a random amount of time to elapse before it's able to re-establish the link. So if I come out of here, come back an hour later and click establish link, it will reconnect. So obviously that's broken. The camera should have no trouble doing that with that cooling setting, and clearly to me there seems to be a power issue in the camera. It's not got enough power to power itself. Now it's powered off 240 volt mains via a UPS, so there can be no question that it's not getting enough power from the supply. Maybe the brick's broken. Now previously the power board in the camera was replaced. Now the question I have now is, was that actually the symptom or the cause? Now I think probably the symptom was treated, but why was it necessary to replace that power board? Is there something upstream of that that's causing the issue? And right, so I paid good money for this camera. I expect it to work, and I've been without it now. I haven't been able to rely on it for a good chunk of a year. So SBIG, this is bullshit. You need to take ownership of this and do what needs to be done to get me a camera that works, okay? Because I've sent it back twice. It's obviously going to have to come back again. I think you should be picking up the tab for the postage at this point. And frankly, I want all new electronics or my money back, okay? I hope you can understand my position on that. So that's where we are. Tell me what I should do.